Good evening. Or maybe it's good morning. I never know which one to say at this hour. You're tuned in to the Midnight Signal. I'm Priyanka. If you're listening to this, you are part of the secret club. The club that exists between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. The rest of the world is turned off right now. The emails have stopped, the notifications have stopped. The traffic outside is just a hush. It's just us. Take a second. Just unclench your jaw. Drop your shoulders away from your ears. I know you're holding tension there. We all do. I'm sitting here with a cup of tea that is probably too hot to drink, looking out the window. It's raining out there. There's something hypnotic about rain at night, isn't there? It washes everything clean. It makes the streetlights look like watercolors bleeding on a canvas. I was thinking earlier about how we spend our whole lives rushing. We rush to wake up, rush to work, rush to get home, rush to sleep. But right now, in this specific moment, there is nowhere you need to be. You don't have to be productive right now. You just have to exist. That is enough. I read something strange the other day. It was about jellyfish. Did you know there is a type of jellyfish that is biologically immortal? It's called the Turritopsis dohrnii. When it gets sick or old, it doesn't die. It just reverts back to being a baby. It restarts its life cycle over and over again. Imagine that. Making a mistake, getting tired, and just deciding to start over from scratch. No baggage, no memories of that awkward thing you said in a meeting 3 years ago. Just a fresh start. I think that's why we like the night so much. Sleep is our little version of that, a mini restart. We close our eyes, the computer reboots, and we try again tomorrow. Do you hear that? The city makes different sounds when it's empty. It reminds me of being a kid. Do you remember when you were small and you'd fall asleep in the backseat of the car? Your parents were driving. It was dark. You watched the streetlights rhythmically passing over your eyelids. Flash, dark. Flash, dark. You felt completely safe because someone else was driving. Someone else knew the way. I think as adults, we miss that feeling. We are always the ones driving now. We are always the ones holding the map. It's exhausting, isn't it? So for the next few minutes, let me drive. You can just sit in the passenger seat and look out the window. I want to shift frequencies for a second. I want to talk about the blue hour. You know what that is? It's that time right before sunrise when the sky isn't black anymore, but it isn't light either. It's just this deep, heavy blue. Photographers love it, but I think it's the loneliest time of the day. It's the time when the night owls are finally getting tired, and the early birds are just waking up. It's a transition. Life is full of those transition periods. Waiting for a phone call. Waiting for a semester to end. Waiting for a wound to heal. We hate waiting. We want to skip to the good part. But the waiting, the blue hour of our lives, that's where the character development happens. If you are waiting for something right now, a text back, a job offer, a sign, just breathe through it. The sun always comes up. It has a perfect track record. It hasn't missed a single morning in 4 billion years. It won't miss you tomorrow. We have a message coming in on the stream. No name attached. Just says, Priyanka, I'm studying for an exam that happens in 6 hours, and I feel like I know absolutely nothing. To my anonymous friend, I've been there. The textbooks are open, the highlighter is dry, and the brain is full of fog. Here is the truth. You know more than you think you do. And even if you don't, This one exam will not define your entire existence. 10 years from now, you won't remember the grade. You'll just remember the quiet moments, the coffee, the music, the late nights. Be kind to yourself. Drink some water. I want to leave you with a visual before we go. Imagine you are floating in a small boat in the middle of a calm lake. The water is like glass. Above you, the sky is full of stars. Not the few stars we see in the city, but all of them. The Milky Way is stretched out like spilled milk across the dark. You are small, but you are also infinite. You are made of the same carbon as those stars. Whatever is worrying you right now, it's small too. The universe is big enough to hold your worries for you. You don't have to carry them all by yourself. The clock is moving on. The signals are fading. Thank you for letting me keep you company tonight. If you're heading to sleep, I hope you have dreams that smell like vanilla and old books. If you're starting your day, go get 'em. I'm Priyanka. This has been The Midnight Signal. Keep your light on. I'll see you tomorrow.